Alright, y'all, we pulling up on the spot on the canal. There's some big old sunfish in here on these beds. I'm gonna see if I can catch them without spooking them. So I catch them on camera for y'all without spooking them bad boys. See that water real clear. They just be chilling over there. Can't really see them. Oh, you see them right there, they chilling on the bed. See a few of them. Not many though. But they all spooking out, you see them? I don't know if you can really see them, man. It's real, kind of shady today. No slim. But I'ma see if we can get us some bait. Or we gonna catch us a flathead or golffish today. For sure. Or blue cat. We take blue cats too. For sure. That's what I love to do, man. That's why I love to be. You'll never catch me in the crowd. Catch me ducked off somewhere in the cut, man. Yeah, full of them herbs. Them good godly herbs, you know? You know, you know. If you don't, stay on the porch here, boy. Because it ain't for you. Oh yeah, and I got the little chest for him. I got the aerator at the crib. But we ain't far from the house. Dang, this shit didn't grow a lot. In the last couple of days. This is my little hole right here. I usually get a whole bunch of them out this little hole right here. So we can get us a few. Try to set the camera up somewhere. Well, it ain't gonna fall. This boy, I just got this iPhone 14. I'll be damn if I fuck this one up. I done killed the iPhone 11. Can't kill the 14. I ain't got no more 14 money, baby. Got it. Ah! You let it go. Big old sunfish. Got it. Let's go. Good bait, baby. Ooh, big old sunny. I might put him in the fish tank. Yeah, I might put him in the fish tank. He fish tank material. I got the natural tank going too at the spot. Oh no, baby boy, don't do me like that. 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 Nice sunny. I think that's a yellow sunfish or a green sunfish. I don't know shit. They all the same to me. Fish. Put your little spit on there. Roll that up. All your damn bait you left. In my cut. That's where the big sunny's wrong, man. Gotta let this up. Oh, another one, baby. I think this a long ear or spotted sunfish. I'm not too sure. That boy pretty. Look at the colors on that joker. I don't know, man. I'm catching fish tankers right now. One of these going in the fish tank. I don't know who. I don't know who going in the fish tank, but somebody going in the fish tank. Doing whatever they doing. I'm raising animals. I'm fishing. That's all I do. Raising animals and we fishing, baby. You see how we do it. We get them on a good day or bad day. It don't matter. We gonna get them. Little spotteds. This the most common sunfish in Texas though. Catch these everywhere. We really gonna like me. What I really want to do, I want to break it down for the people who always getting told that this shit is either cost a lot of money to do or you gotta be super experienced to do it. Man, you don't need none of that shit, man. This shit is simple, bro. Fishing is simple, G. They make fishing complicated, just like they make life complicated. This shit's simple, man. Another nice sunny. Another nice sunny boy, pretty boy. This might be in my tank. I don't know, man. We gonna. Oh yes, sir. Bullhead, baby. Bullhead, baby. Bullhead, baby. Yeah, a little too big though. I need him. We'll play some music for y'all, but y'all don't need that. Another cat, daddy. Oh, this a bait right here. This a bait right here. Flathead, here we come. Flathead, come this shit. Never come off. I carry this piece of bread 3-4 times. This damn turtle, get your ass on, G. Another one. Sunny Oney. Another baby Sunny. Or hybrid. Not too sure. Don't really care. They for bait. Ew, got him. Let's go. Sunny. Sunny boy, Sunny boy. Sunny boy special. Boy with some power. One of them little red bones with some power. It's the mangoes, tropical. You little motherfucker, tropical right here, boy. The colors on that joint. Come on, chill out, playboy. Trying to stick me up. Man, chill out, G. Nothing you could do for yourself. See the colors on that mug? Boy got the red eyes. I'm already red eye. Man, that 14 camera is amazing.